With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is conservation of momentum in a collision between particles can be understood from conservation of energy, Newton's first law only, Newton's second law only, both Newton's second and third law. As we know, Newton's first law is about inertia, so Newton's first law can't explain this. And Newton's second law states that F is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum. P is the momentum and F is the force, right? Or we can say that F is equal to some constant into dp by dt. If F is 0, then dp by dt equal to 0. This implies P is constant. That is, momentum is conserved. Right? According to Newton's third law, every action have an equal and opposite reaction. Magnitude and direction is opposite. F, the force acting on first body due to second, and force acting on second body due to first, they are equal and opposite, equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. This implies F12 plus F21 equal to 0. This implies F net is 0. So we can say that momentum is conserved. If F net is 0, then momentum is conserved. So option D is correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.